ऑफ
मतलब क्या बोलेंगे, प्योर फॉर्म में नहीं रहेगा ना सर उनका
यस,
वर्शिप
ऑब्वियसली
वैसे?
कोई भी दुनिया का जो भी रिलीजन है, जो भी सिस्टम है, जो भी ये है, वो कुछ दिनों के बाद में उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें एडिशन हो जाती है, उसमें चेंजेस हो जाते हैं। बिकॉज क्या है कि गौतम बुद्ध ने जो धर्म लेकर आया था, गौतम बुद्ध ने वट एवर द रिलीजन वाज ब्रॉट बाय द गौतम बुद्धा, दैट वाज विद द एम ऑफ giving what you can say middle path to the people, right? But of course after some days what happens ki there are many religious leaders and Buddha monks, what happened, they have what you can say started new traditions which was not practiced during the Gautam Buddha's life. म्हणजे गौतम बुद्धांच्या लाईफ मध्ये त्यांच्या काळामध्ये जे काही प्रीचिंग त्यांनी सांगितलेले होते ते त्यांनी त्यामध्ये ऍडिशन करायला त्यांनी सुरुवात केली ऍज पर द न्यू रिक्वायरमेंट, ऍज पर द न्यू नीड्स. सो ऑफ कोर्स all the religions in the world they are not being practiced in its puritanic form. तो जो प्योर फॉर्म तो जो था, जो शुरुआत में था, वो फॉलो नहीं हो रहा था. तो ऑब्वियसली म्हणजे आफ्टर द 500 years or maybe after the 600 years the original preachings or original teachings of the Gautam Buddha have not been what you can say followed by the Mahayana, while it is being followed by the Hinayana. So that is what is the difference between Mahayana and Hinayana. Hinayana were those who believed that Buddhist religion should be practiced, the Buddha Dhamma should be practiced as it is in original format, when in a format how the Gautam Buddha has told that how to achieve the nirvana. But the Mahayana sect of religion, Mahayana sect of Buddhism, it believed in progressive type of what you can say, that they believed that there should be changes in the religion as per the changes in the society. So since the economic prosperity has increased, they wanted to accommodate this increasing economic activity, and that is why Mahayana religion has been patronized by the kings and the Vaishya class. मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये हा जो महायाना जो बुद्धिझम होता त्याला वैश्य क्लास आणि जे किंग्स होते त्यांनी मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये सपोर्ट केले. कनिष्का हिमसेल्फ, who was a follower of the Buddhism, who was a great Kushana king, he himself supported the Mahayana sect of Buddhism. So these two sects were created in the post-modern period in the fourth Buddhist council, which was organized by the Kanishka. Right? Check it. Okay, same. There was schism in the Vedic religion also. There was two different ideologies have been created within the Vedic religion also. That is called as Vaishnavism and Shaivism. So can anybody explain me what is the difference between